you tell me just now?
Which love? I just said that prank now. She don't want me.
I don't like it. And the love is still there. Let's go now.
Don't even dare talk to me again.
Babe, calm down.
Don't tell me what.
Now,
Why you
behave like
What's beat me?
Well, you said you love him.
Which love? What love?
Hello, my people. How na day? It's your girl Kate, and today I do with my brother here. What's your name?
Young Bellas.
Okay. Young Bellas has messaged me and he said he's looking for love, which is why I came here today. So, Young Bellas,
Yes.
I go to ask you some questions. So, for this show, so they like know people in total before we begin connect them with other people. So, what do they do for a living, first of all?
Wetin I dey do for a living na I dey paint people house. Then I dey do all this POP work too. Then sometimes as the country take be now, so I dey ride bike. When I use to cover up some kind of things too.
Like, you now hustle like you. They try. Wow. So, I go like ask you, as you dey like this now, what you say you what?
As I dey like this now.
Yes, what you what?
That one pass me because as I dey like this, me I don't even know wetin I really want as I dey like this. I don't even understand wetin I want.
Okay, but like how much dey your account like this?
Okay, the money wey dey my account like this.
Yes.
If you reach like 40 something thousand sha, wey fit dey my account.
Okay.
Because you know say I just travel go village last week, come back.
Okay.
Na make.
Wetin you go do for village? Go marry?
No, the money dey now. Where I go use marry? I just go, I go greet mama for village now, come back.
Okay. Okay. And which kind of girl wey you dey like?
The kind girl wey I dey like na girl wey slim, come get, na make sense to wey me and she fit hustle grow together. You know say now nothing to dey like that. So if you come grow that it something go dey, because me I believe say one day something go dey. So na that kind of girl wey I go like may connect me with.
Okay. That's nice. Okay. So now here you dey live, abi?
Yes, na my room be this. Go. Yes.
So shey we fit see your room? Make we get a tour of where you dey live. So
No problem now. E dey open. May you not just fear sha. Fit enter inside. Na my room be this. My room be this. And where I dey manage be this.
Wow. Are you seeing everything? This place, so how much you dey pay for here in a month?
This one we ask me I expose myself like this. But make I just talk am now. Wetin I dey pay for here monthly na 1,500.
Okay.
Now I dey pay for a year.
So that's how much in a year?
In the year I dey give that landlord like 18,000. 18,000 now they pay.
Okay. That's nice. Come, let's go.
All right.
So I like your confidence and I like your person because say you no try package yourself or come dey hide yourself say na wetin you be this. You understand?
Yes.
So hopefully you fit still see person wey go love you for who you be. You understand? It's possible. So everybody deserve love. Na wetin I believe with that. I get person for you. I just hope say two of una go connect and get to know each other and maybe build the future together. So let's go.
All right.
So my people, we dey here now to match make Young Bellas and this beautiful lady here. What's your name, babe?
Miracle.
Miracle. So I'm going to be matchmaking them right now. Miracle, I'll be asking you some personal questions. What kind of guy do you like?
I like guy with tall, with fit, wey make sure dey good looking. Yeah, but I no fit discriminate. As far as he truly love me, na true love I define.
That's good. That's good. So Young Bella, you have told me the kind of girl you want. You are going to tell me again though. Let's do this. Okay. What kind of girl do you like?
As I don't talk am before, I say girl wey tall. Because if I carry girl wey tall go meet my mama for village, she go like am very well. I met the girl, she be person wey be say me and she fit grow together. But you know as now be now, things no dey like that. So any girl wey love me the way I dey now, that means the girl truly love me, so I no go feel forget am. Na the kind girl wey I want be that.
Wow, that's nice. So, on a count of 1 to 3, you both are going to turn at the same time. So, 1, 2, and 3. Turn, turn, turn. Don't remove your blindfold yet. On a count of 1 to 3, now go remove na blindfold. So, are we ready, guys? So, 1, 2, and 3. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Yeah.
What do you think?
She told na, so I go marry provided she love me, and that one no be problem, sha.
Okay. Miracle, what do you feel?
It's not bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you think you like him?
Yeah, sure.
You can go into a relationship with him.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Hey.
Wow.
So
So,
me like this.
I like you like this now. You're
Wow,
not bad.
wow. Nice, nice.
okay, that's good. Since you like her and she likes you too, we're just going to move forward from here. That means you guys are starting a relationship already, right?
Sure.
Okay. So we're going to seal this with a hug or something. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Small love, oh. Love is sweet. Wow. I'm happy for you, guy.
Yeah.
I'm happy for you.
My
Congratulations.
love.
I love love, seriously. Love is a beautiful thing.
Thank
And
you.
congratulations.
Thank you. Baby, let's go.
Wow, guys.
I'm proud now. So, like all those millionaires when they come show now. I think it's a prank now.
Babe, calm down now. Babe, calm down now.
I just say that even 1 million, which is just which is why you want me to come.
I be push millionaire. Come, let's go. Go now.
Waiting.
Babe, calm down now.
Waiting.
So you say you go love me for who I be now. What you tell me just now now?
Which love? I just say that prank now. Show you the 1 million.
I don't like it.
I just say that prank now.
I like this way they talk. Why they talk like this?
So you don't love me again like this?
Wait.
You don't love me
I
again?
just say that one of those million. Now we they come your show now.
You don't love me again?
Which love? Which kind of love?
You came here for the money.
You fuck up. For this time, what do you remain? Now money now after money now. Money after money
Just
now.
calm down now. The love is still there. Let's go now.
Don't even dare talk to me again.
Babe, calm down. Calm down.
Don't tell me your
Calm down.
wait.
Wait, you carry me here to disturb me in public? I don't understand. What is happening?
No, see, don't touch me.
Wait, come.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Babe, I don't like what you're saying.
I just say now, hold this me. Nobody can you come your show now. Don't tell me say now. I say now, even like see a prank now.
Which time we will prank that one? How we talk just now say you love
Tell me what you love me. Go. This thing now dey manage o. This Okada is not o.
Don't follow you and your Okada. Don't follow you and your Okada. Wait, let me just smile so I won't kiss.
God.
So disgusted, I swear.
Why you behaving like this now? Calm down.
Babe, come.
Don't just talk to me again. Don't talk to me again.
Babe,
Wait, just stop. Don't talk to me again.
guy, I beg you best. Guy, I beg. Guy.
No, you tell her the boy gotta come here. I don't understand. Don't talk to me again. Just wait till you love me for me.
Stop you again and I'll stop you again.
No.
Babe, you're stopping a man.
Guy, I beg. Calm down.
You have to beat me.
I beg, calm down.
No, you have to beat me.
So you don't tell me say you carry me come here. I want to grace me publicly for here. What you go tell me now? What you talk say you love me?
Beat me.
Why you behave like
You have
this?
to beat me.
But you said you love him.
Which love? Who the fire love?
Hey.
Who the fire my love? You
So you love me? You love me?
What do you have to do? You have to beat me.
Babe, why you behaving
I beg.
So let me cough. God.
If I get confused.
That's the way you love me just now. Just slap. See my face.